Hey guys, Jason Foster here. Thanks for stopping by once more. Hope you're having a good day. Well, today, look what I'm sharing with you. It's a free online workshop. I'm getting to the point. I want you to jump on this because I see that there's a time sensitivity on this particular one. It's a workshop where Anik Singal is showing people how to earn over $1 million per year using 4 different passive streams. All right, so Anik Signal. This is Anik Signal. You can go on Google, you can do a Google search on him just to prove his legitimacy. But I have done the research already on this guy, and I've seen him to be very legitimate. There's a book on Amazon. He has written The Circle of Profit, How to Turn Your Passion into $1 million. You can come onto this page and you can read all about his bio right here, so you can get a better idea of who he is. And of course, you can also go to his company LURN to learn more about him as well. All right, because this is what it's all about. But what's good is that he's actually putting on this free online workshop, and it's ridiculous that he's doing something like this. But he's very kind. He wants to share his skills with others. So if this is something that you are interested in, you want to do, all you need to do is go to this website here where you see the free online workshop and click this button down that says yes, save my free seat. And you can get to this website easily by clicking the link that I will leave in the description and also in the comment. So you can head on over there and save your seat.
So, you want to start your own profitable online business? Or maybe you just want to generate some extra income from home.
So as you can see on this website, there's a lot of information here to read on the Learn official website. But obviously, he's super successful. He knows what he's doing. He has done a lot. Robert Kiyosaki, brilliant guy like Robert Kiyosaki. If you've not read any of Robert's work, you need to you need to read The Rich Dad Poor Dad. Um, John Tallarico, this guy, I met him in Jamaica at this Les Brown event. And, this guy is great, man. Working at it, you'll see. I mean, look at Bob Proctor. It's amazing, and then, you know, when you check it out, he's like also helping out, kids of the world. But the free online workshop should be a very valuable piece of information for you. He has done a bunch of interviews all over. Like if you go to YouTube again and you do Anik Singal, like Sin Gal, you see a bunch of results showing you, this is a big business guy. All right? Big business guy right here. Knows what he's doing. He teaches this stuff. 568,000 views. 18,000. You know, I mean, this guy knows. He's a speaker. TEDx. He's all over the place. So take this opportunity right now. Jump on in and see what it can do for your life. So, I wanted to share this information because I know this will be helpful to a lot of people. And if this helps you out, just remember to come by and you can just stop by my video and you can, tell me how it goes for you, because I really love to learn about people's success when I recommend something. And, if you have any questions at all, you can just leave it below in the comment section of this video. I'll leave the comment section open. And, thank you so much again for stopping by. And looking forward to having more videos sent out. All right, so thanks for watching. Enjoy your time.